guys, welcome back to my channel Learn and Care with Sneha. Guys, hope you all are safe and doing well, and I hope you all enjoyed my previous fun video. So guys, today I am going to share with you all my this makeup look, and this look is inspired by Jennifer Wingate. Yes guys, we all know her. She is a very beautiful actress. She is very pretty, and today I am going to share with you all her this makeup look from the serial Behad 2. And I hope you all will like my this makeup look. So guys, let's not talk more and directly start the video.
So guys, I have already prepped my skin. So here I am taking my primer, Lakme Absolute Primer, and applying it on all of my face, especially focusing on T-zone areas and blending it well. For my foundation today, I am taking my Lotus Eco Step foundation. I am in the shade Pearl and applying it on all of my face. I have used this foundation too much. It is almost finished. So today I am applying this foundation on my face. I will give you the link on the description box so that you can check it from there, and blending it with the help of my beauty blender. So here I am done with my foundation. I have blended well, and now I am taking my Swiss Beauty concealer. I will give you this shade in description box so that you can check it from there. So I am applying it on all over my highlighted areas like my under eye area, my forehead, my bridge of my nose, then chin area. And then to contour my face, I will take my Allegoil Pro concealer in this shade Toast, and I will contour my face with the help of this. And now I am blending all well with the help of a brush. Make sure that there is no harsh line. Blend all well. You can also blend with the help of a beauty blender, but I am taking my brush and blending all well. I have blended my contour shade with the help of a brush, and to contour my concealer I am taking my beauty blender and blending it all well so that there should not be any harsh line. Here I am done with my base, and now I am taking my Faces Canada mineral powder to set it. I am setting it with the help of a brush. And now I am taking my Kryolan translucent powder and applying a layer on my under eye area. You can say it baking. Now I am taking my Music Flower gel liner in the shade brown, and I am shaping my eyebrows with the help of this. I am shaping my brows with the help of an angular brush. So here I am done with my eyebrows, and now I am taking my Allegoil Pro concealer and I am applying it on all over my eyelid area to create my base for my eyeshadow, and then I will blend it with the help of a brush. And now I am setting it with the help of a same Faces Canada mineral powder. So here my eye base is ready, and for my eyeshadow today I am taking my Nicka K eyeshadow palette, and I am taking this brown shade from this palette and applying it as my transition shade. Yes guys, I am creating my crease, just applying on my crease with the help of my brush and blending it well. Always take little amounts on your brush and then blend it well to avoid that patchiness. I am blending well with the help of my brush. I am just taking that color little and applying it on my crease and blending all well. Have blended well, and now I am taking my same Nicka K palette and I am taking this shimmery shade from this palette and I will apply this color on all over my lid area with the help of a flat brush. Now I have applied and I am showing you all so closely so that you all can notice that there is no patchiness. I have applied very less color and blending well, and now I am going to take my brush and I am taking that same brown color on my brush and I am diffusing my edges with the help of this. Today I have worked only with two colors, the brown and that shimmer shade, and I am not applying too many colors on my eye area. Now I am taking this brown color on my brush and I am applying it on my lower lid. So here I am done with my eyeshadow, and now I am taking my Maybelline Studio Gel eyeliner and I am applying a semi-thick eyeliner, not so thick and not so thin, with the help of a brush. And for my waterline, today I am taking my same NY Bay white eye pencil and I am applying this on all over my waterline. So now I am taking my Maybelline mascara and I am coating my lashes very well with the help of this, as I am not going to apply any falsies today, as it seems like the actress herself also not applied any false lashes. So here I am done with my eyes, and now I am taking my Maybelline lipstick in the shade Smoky Red and I am applying this color on my lip with the help of a brush. So now I am taking a clean brush and I am dusting out the powder from my under eye area. So today I will not apply any blush, so I am taking my Miss Claire highlighter palette and I am taking this champagne color from this palette and applying with the help of a brush. I am applying it on all over my highlighted area. And now I will finish my look by spraying my Faces Canada makeup fixer. So here is the final look guys, and I hope you all enjoyed my this look, and if you like my video then please do like and share my video and also subscribe to my channel. मिलते हैं अपने अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए stay safe.